Hey everyone, welcome back to Unfoolish Investing. I'm your guy Victor, and today we're talking about Tesla's Q4 earnings. Why the stock is somehow up $17.76 as we're recording that, or 4.5%, despite declining profits. And whether Musk's AI and Robo-Taxi hype is enough to keep this thing going. And let's be real, we've heard these Tesla promises for years. Robo-taxis were supposed to be here in 2019, then 2020, then 2023, and now Musk is saying 2026. But somehow, the stock keeps running, like an overhyped meme stock. So what's real? What's just hype? And is Tesla a buy, sell, or hold? Let's break it all down. The bad news first. We're going to start with the numbers because Tesla's Q4 was not pretty. Here's what they reported. $25.71 billion. Missed expectations of $27.21 billion. Right? EPS missed by 5%. Revenue missed by 5.25%. Earnings per share, 0.73. Missed by 0.75 estimate. Operating income, $1.58 billion, way below the $2.68 billion expected. Full year net income, $8.4 billion, down 23% from 2023, down 40% from 2022. Now Tesla is still selling cars, but not as fast as they were before. Q4 deliveries, 495,930. Missed estimates of 510,000. Full year deliveries, 1.78 million. A year-over-year decline. The first one in Tesla's history. Musk even admitted the Model Y production is getting shut down for retooling. Meaning what? Margins will take another hit. Looking at you, Q1 2025, looking at you, Q1. So if profits are dropping, deliveries are stalling, and revenue is missing expectations, why the hell is Tesla stock up 4.6% after hours? Like, what's going on here? Tesla is between two growth waves. Musk's words, not mine. Musk is selling the idea that Tesla is about to enter its next major growth cycle in 2025. Analysts expect Tesla's free cash flow to jump 80% in 2025 and another 50% in 26. But haven't we heard this before? Full self-driving keeps investors hooked with hype, not with money. Musk announced that Tesla will launch unsupervised full self-driving in Austin, Texas in June of this year. Full self-driving is Tesla's big money maker, if it ever works. But right now, it's still level 2. Driver required. Compare that to Waymo, that's right, Google's self-driving division, which already has full driverless taxis in multiple cities. What's the big difference there? Waymo is killing it with the LiDAR. Tesla, they're just using the cameras. Is that the big difference? I'm thinking it's playing a factor in it. New models and the Cybercab are expected in 2026. Musk says new affordable Teslas are coming in early 2025. Tesla's Cybercab will enter fleet testing later this year with volume production next year. But wait, didn't Musk promise us Robo-Taxis in 2019? And then in 2020? And again in 2023? Musk speaks an awful lot, but he delivers a lot of empty promises. Trump factor, looser regulations, I'm not sure. But Tesla's stock jumped 50% after Trump's election win because investors believe regulations will be looser under Trump. Musk is very close to Trump. He even spoke at the inauguration and donated $200 million plus to Trump's campaign. So he's clearly bought himself an inside ticket. So investors are betting that Tesla will have an easier time pushing self-driving tech without strict oversight. But is that really what we want? Full self-driving vehicles that have no oversight, that have not gone through any serious testing? To me, that just screams madness. Now, Tesla versus Waymo. Robo-Taxis. Who's actually winning here, right? Promised since 2016, Tesla's still not fully autonomous. Full self-driving is still level 2, which means, as we already mentioned, driver required. Nowhere near Waymo's capabilities. Musk's timeline keeps slipping. Now he's saying 26 for Robo-Taxis. No regulatory approval anywhere. Biggest hurdle for Tesla has to be that. Waymo's self-driving is currently at level 4 autonomy. What does that mean? Waymo already operates full self-driverless taxis in Phoenix, San Francisco, and LA. No driver needed, no steering wheel, completely autonomous. Actually making revenue from real customers. There are no overpromises, just real working technology. So, who's ahead in self-driving? Spoiler alert, it's not Tesla. Waymo is already doing what Tesla has been promising for years, and Musk keeps not delivering on. So, where are we at? Is Tesla a buy, a sell, or a hold? Right now, I'm putting Tesla at a hold. Why? Well, the bull case, why might you hold or buy more? Well, Tesla is still the leader in EVs. Check. 100%. There's no doubt there. AI hype and full self-driving potential keep long-term upside alive. Check. The Tesla fans love it. They believe it's coming, even though they haven't seen it for years. New models in Cybercab, if they ever materialize, could drive new demand. And finally, Trump's looser regulations may benefit Tesla. Now, the bear case. Declining margins and profits, missed earnings, missed delivery targets, self-driving still isn't real. Think we covered that. Competition is heating up. Waymo, Rivian, BYD, that's right, looking at you, China. So Tesla isn't crashing, but it's not exactly thriving either. Right now, we're in a strict holding pattern. We will need to see if Tesla can actually ramp up full self-driving this year. If the Cybercab actually materializes, we stop talking about it and we actually get to drive in it. And if profits start growing again, which they haven't been for quarter after quarter now. For now, we hold. We hold on foolish investors. We watch and we don't get caught up in the hype cycle. You have to watch for the hype cycle and you have to steer clear. Final thoughts. Tesla's been here before. Big promises, big delays, big stock moves. But are we finally at the tipping point for real self-driving tech? Or is this just another Musk-fueled hype cycle? Let us know your thoughts. Hit like or subscribe to Unfoolish Investing and share this with your fellow investors. Until next time, stay unfoolish.